Hello amigos, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to see an interesting topic in the series Travel Hack, that is how to get free meal in Indigo Airlines. To make one thing clear, I have tried this only with Indigo and not with any other low cost carriers. It might work with other low cost carriers in India like SpiceJet, Go Air and AirAsia, but I have tried it only with Indigo and it has been successful every time. The reason why I tried only with Indigo because I am from Coimbatore and Indigo has majority of departures from Coimbatore than other carriers. So let's get into the topic. Indigo is a low cost carrier in India which flies majority of routes in India. Its market share is nearly 50% in India. If you're booking a ticket with Indigo, only baggage and seat comes as a complimentary. Rest you have to pay for it. So if you're thinking of having a meal on board by purchasing from Indigo, you have to pay for it. So here comes the way how you could get a meal complimentary from Indigo. A meal includes one food item and one beverage, be it any food or any beverage. In order to get the complimentary meal from Indigo, you have to do it while booking your tickets. Number 1. While booking your tickets, there will be an option to enter your GST number. On that column, do enter your company's GST number, company name, address, and those stuff. You can book it even through their official website or through other online travel agencies like MakeMyTrip, Yatra, etc. While booking through any booking engine, there will be an option of GST number. So do fill that number. Nowadays, most of us would be employed or be working in a company, and that company would be registered under the GST, and that company would definitely have a GST number. So, after filling your GST details in your ticket, do a proceed for the payment and make the payment. So, what happens if you enter your GST number while booking your ticket? Simple, your ticket would be registered with their corporate meal scheme program, by which you would be eligible for a meal. A meal includes a food item and a beverage. So you all might wonder what would they provide us in the meal. So in the food item section, it might be cookies, cashew nuts. If you're lucky, you might even get a sandwich. And in the beverage section, it could be fruit juice, or even if you're lucky, you might even get a coke. So where will this complimentary meal work? For shorter journeys, these might not seem big, but for longer journeys in domestic routes like Cochin Delhi, Coimbatore Delhi, Chennai Kolkata, for routes like these which are close to 3 hours, this complimentary meal would definitely work for them. So for the past few months, I have tried these on all my flights to Chennai and Hyderabad, and every time I get a corporate meal from them, be it cookies, cashews, sandwich, coke, or fruit juice. But I get something to eat on my journey. So that's it. If you have any questions, do ask in the comment. I will reply for it. And do try this method and see if you could get a corporate meal from Indigo or any other low cost carriers in India. Also, do share it with people who don't know this method. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe. Cheers. Bye.